Spardha Lines, Learning Path to Success.
Hello everyone, welcome to Spardha Lines, a premier institute for IAS, KAS and other competitive exams. KAS Prelims 2024 has been announced for 25th August 2024. In this mission to help you ace the prelims in one single attempt, we have designed full-fledged revision plan for you. That is absolutely free. What is this plan? You may ask, but you know what? We have come out with 4 such things. The first one is free KAS test series. How will you ensure you are ready to take KAS prelims? You can only be sure once you have written the test in an exam-like environment. To help you determine your preparedness, we have launched Karnataka statewide open mock test. This test series consists of 3 GS 1 paper, 3 GS 2 paper. Each paper is absolutely free. But remember, registration is mandatory for this test. Why take this test? Strictly aligned with KAS exam pattern. This test has KAS level of questions, state-wide ranking, detailed test synopsis, real exam environment. Register now. So register using the link given in the description in this video. And the second one, previous year question paper discussion. Every day between 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. revision of all the previous year questions, segregated subject-wise, and understanding of KAS prelims pattern and the kind of question that will appear in the exam. You know what you can expect from this? In-depth analysis of previous year questions, expert strategy to tackle challenging questions, tips and tricks to boost your marks, understand the exam pattern and question trends. This is the second one. The third one is KAS final revision with MCQs. In a mission to cover all the high priority topics, one must important topics and current affairs for KAS prelims, we at Spardha Lines have strategized and launched KAS 2024 Current Affairs Final Revision Series. Under this initiative, we will be covering each and every topic important for KAS prelims, in depth, helping you to revise and retain concept of KAS prelims. Catch this session live at 6 p.m. on YouTube every day. You know what you'll be covering from this. Every important current affair topic from May 2023 to May 2024. Current affairs with respect to international relationship for KAS prelims. Current affairs related to national issues. Current affairs related to Karnataka for KAS exams. With that, you'll be having sports current affairs and even the places in news and awards. All these things will be covered in this. And the last one, the fourth initiative, Spardha Lines value addition books for KAS prelims. To help you revise just before the exam, we have curated a revision-friendly material that covers all important topics for KAS exam. You can order these books in our website. By delightfully following all our initiatives, we are confident that you will ace this KAS prelims. Hence, we have already started working on something big for you. Stay tuned. 5 main success mantra is up to come up as soon as you finish your prelims exam. Stay ahead with Spardha Lines.